Hello, my name's Ian. Today I'm going to show you how to make some bomb-ass tomato soup. Ingredients for this are 1 can of condensed tomato soup, small pile of basil leaves, whatever random ass white cheese you have laying around in your fridge, some freshly ground black pepper, and some milk. Let's get to cooking. First step is you gotta open the can, of course. Then we just pour that in real nice. Oh yeah. Then with the can, you're gonna pour a nice little canful's worth of milk in there. Oh. Oh yeah. This is gonna come out real nice. Pour that in. Oh. Yeah, I'll just leave that in there. That'll be fine. I'll add flavor. Just gotta turn on the heat. And you're just gonna let that warm up for a while. While we're letting that soup warm up, we're gonna cut this up real nice. We're gonna make it nice little tiny strips. And this is gonna add a lot of flavor, bring out some real nice sensations in our soup. Oh, she's starting to speak to me. Oh yeah. So we're just going to drop in that basil we started to chop up. Oh yeah. Gonna pour in a little bit of this black pepper. Now I'm just going to tear up this sweaty old fridge cheese and drop that shit in there. Add some nice flavor, nice texture. It's going to make this soup nice and creamy, and you just know how much people love creamy soup. Now we're just going to mix all that up with the included stirring spoon. Oh yeah. Just how I like it. And we're just going to let that sit for a while, heat up real nice, let the flavors mix together. In about 5 minutes, your soup should be ready. And if you're going to be making tomato soup, might as well make some toast to go with it. Now it's time to pour our soup out so we can enjoy this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that fucking masterpiece. Well anyway, that's how you make some really good tomato soup. What do you think, Greg? Greg's a rabbit. Thanks for watching my video.